What is going on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram? Welcome back to the channel. Again, we are going to talk about the G37. I know a lot of you out there have been waiting for an update video on the Killer Chiller. I'm sorry, I got busy all of a sudden. It's been a month since my last video, but I am updating you guys with this video right now because I have two additional parts that I want to talk about. Now, in my last two videos, I explained why I bought a Killer Chiller and what it does. So real quick, I want to explain to you the two additional parts that I bought for the Killer Chiller. So if you guys remember, charged air will be coming into this charge tube, and then it'll be going into the intake manifold. Whatever IATs I get from that, I'm getting the readings from the mass airflow sensors, which is right here and right here. Now, when I put the Killer Chiller in, my intake manifold will be basically freezing temperatures, like super cold. But I will still be reading hot air in the charge pipe. Now, there's a solution to that, guys. I did buy a new map sensor, which sits right here on my intake manifold in the rear. I don't know if you guys can see where my finger is. So that map sensor sits after the intercooler. So whatever air is coming in and then coming out after the chilled air, it'll be reading, or it'll be right with where this map sensor is. Now the problem with my map sensor is it's a 4-bar and it only reads, it does one job. But I bought another 4-bar map sensor, and this one is not just a 4-bar. This is a temperature featured map sensor, if you guys can see right there. Now the good thing about this is that all I have to do is just replace it with that one. Now, how am I gonna get the temperatures? Well, here it is, guys. I have a special jumper harness so that it connects to my mass airflow sensor, which reads temperatures, and I will be jumping it to my 4-bar map sensor, which reads temperature. So instead of taking the readings from the mass airflow sensors, I will be getting the reading from the new map sensor, which is after the intercooler, which is chilled. So I'm excited, guys. I know that a lot of you have been waiting for this, but please be patient. This I want to do the right way. I don't want to just rush into it. Installing it is not the problem. It's just I don't have the time right now, and I've been making Crispinities for you guys. If you guys don't know what it is, I will get to it after this video. Again, thank you everyone for the support, and I just want you guys to know that just because I started something new on the side, it doesn't mean that I lost my love for my Infinitis and Nissans. So I just want to put that out there, guys. I haven't forgot about all of my car friends out there. I know you guys are still watching my videos on YouTube. I appreciate every single one of you guys out there. I really do. And you know, I still can't believe that you guys are still subscribing to my channel. So this is an update video for you guys. Please be patient with me, and I will get this video right to you guys. Thank you again. So what I want to introduce you to is Crispinity. Right here, guys. Not sure if you guys can see. These are not beef jerky. It's actually beef chips. Now, some of you know about Crispinity because of my Instagram, and some of you don't know because my subscribers on YouTube only see my car content. So yeah, we started a little side gig with Crispinity. Me and my brothers make these at home. If you guys want to support, just send us a message. I'll put my Instagram at the bottom of the description, and you can send me a message. But let me go ahead and show you what Crispinity is about. Check that out, guys. This is how they come. Big old pieces. But check this out, guys. Listen for this. It's the reason why I call them chips. Because when you eat them, they're very crispy and crunchy and tasty. So, if you're interested, go ahead and send me a message on Instagram at the Infiniti Brothers, or you can comment down below or email me. So thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you guys at the next one.